Hey Caspian, Grandpa's going to make you another video of another train. This is a really neat train. Look at the birds on the side of it. Isn't that neat? Oh my goodness, look at all those birds. And then look, it's not pulling a freight train with containers. It's a passenger train. And look at all those people inside. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this car. It has graphics of mountains on the side. And look at all of the people sitting in the car. Wow. And this next car? Oh my goodness. It's a restaurant car where the little people can go and get something to eat and drink. And then here's some more cars. Wow, isn't that cool? I wonder what's going on. I wonder if it's going to start moving. Oh, in fact, there it goes. I guess it's going off to the next town. Let's go around and see if we can see it coming around again. Oh, but what else is going on the layout today? Oh my goodness, it looks like there's a goat and some sheep. And if you look in the background, it looks like there's some hay to feed them. Wow. Oh, and here comes the train, I can hear it. There it goes. Wow, and there goes all those people. Look at that. That is really cool. Oh, and look, and the back of the train has some lights on it. I guess that's to let the other trains know that it's ahead of them. Let's see if we can hear it again. Oh, the conductor's blowing his whistle. And now their train is blowing its horn at us. Look at that. And we'll watch it go by. Isn't that neat? All right, Caspian. Bye-bye.